Hi Eric, thanks for letting me know that the class you're going to work with is called Introduction to Construction. I pulled that from your discussion board post in our Blackboard site. So what I did is I logged into WIDS. Here's the URL at the top, madisoncollege.wids.org. And then it automatically takes you to the home page. This is my home page where I have just tons of classes. You might not have any classes. That's okay. In the search box, you can type that Intro to Construction class and then click search. That's what I've already done. And it's pulled up the class for me. Now, while I'm here, I'm also actually just going to point out the catalog number. 31410-301 is there. Okay, so I'm going to click on the course name, and that'll take me to all of the course information that the college has for this particular class. And this will include our outlines of instruction. So I am going to go down to Quick Prints, Outline of Instruction, and WIDS always takes a minute to pull up the information, but then what I'm going to show you how to do is export that either to a PDF or a Word document so that you can have it for your reference. In addition, I want you just to go through the practice of being able to find this class within the WIDS system because we'll continue to use it in every unit of the workshop. So while that's loading, maybe I'll just show you another thing I want you to be able to know how to do. Over here on this other tab, I've gone to our system for being able to find course outlines. So any course within the course catalog should have its outline posted here. That's a requirement from the college. And then what I did is I just typed your catalog number at the end, that 31410-301. So here's the public-facing version of your outline of instruction for this class. So this is also another just handy dandy thing to keep note of. You might want to write down or bookmark this particular URL so that you can come back here, because again, in later units we'll do things like look at the competencies, look at the assessment strategies and things like that. Okay, oops, finally we're here. So finally we're here at the outline of instruction. I'm going to click the export command, and then that's where you can just see it'll allow you to export to any type of file that you like. I'm just going to choose PDF for an example. You can use whichever one you like. And then you'll get a little window. This has been pretty slow today, but you'll get a little window that says, oh, great. Oh, excellent. It just came through. Okay. So choosing one of the other options, you might have to click a little refresh report window and then it'll export it. But you can see here, it just downloaded it straight away. Let me know if you have any trouble.